Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, the dance we know, green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go, cash that wave and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Tick tock on the trading clock, price jumps higher, don't be shocked. Moji rolling round the block, riches knocking, this is rock. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live trading show. It's Wednesday, March 19th. It is a definite news day. It's was it FOMC day today. Let's get right into the analysis. So as you can see right here, we've been hitting against this support level at around the 690s, and this is the TWA market structure indicator. You can see here, this is my game plan level. Right now we are right on it. So what does that tell me? Right now we're in a range. You can see for the last half hour, about the last hour, we've been in a range. Let's see what the open wants to do. If I'm looking at this indicator right now and I'm seeing this white line above it and nothing below it, we could see a push down. So just be aware of that. So we could see a lot of volatility going up and down. Remember, 2 o'clock today, we have more participation in the market. So you want to stay tuned to that. Maybe I'll do a special 2 o'clock edition of the live. So this way we could see what the indicators in the charts do. So if we look at presently at direction right now, everything is pointing to bullish. On the IVD, strict candles are off. TPO is off. This is the top. This is directional. And you see all these yellow candles here on the trigger point. That means it's anybody's game right now. So let's just be careful. Be careful today. Be careful today. Because the market is in an indecision point right now. Let's see what it wants to do in the next 5 minutes by open.
Orange guy.
Hey, Cloud, how are you? So we have Cloud on the line today. DC will be coming in a bit.
Hey, what's up, man? Give me a second.
Slide this over a bit. Here, goes into the full screen. There we go. Okay, so the chart on the screen, this up top is direction, down here is trigger. Let me actually type that up. Let's see. That's for direction. Just so. Anyway, this is direction. This is trigger chart. That's fine. All right, let's get these up and running. Let's see what's going on here. Got 3 minutes till open. Price has not really gone anywhere. Oh, here we go. We're getting some movement now. Some pre-open movement. There's a buy direction. I will take this trade. Make sure I got the right brackets on. Yes.
You taking a pre-market trade, Mo?
Oh, now let me see if I can get my TP one on. What is that? Oh, that's not the right. Sorry, I gotta switch this up. What is this? 311, yes. I'm taking that. Come on. What? Hold on. I forgot that. Let me went for top step. This too. Okay, there you go. That's why. Alright. Well, I wanted to, but I forgot I was on Top Step and I had to change my brackets up. No big deal. What's this? Open yet? We got a couple seconds till open. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay, we're open. Here. Yeah, alright, looking long. Let's see, went from green to yellow. Yikes. Okay. That's not nice. looking for a long. Let's see, right now dashboards say reversal, bears reversal, blah blah blah. I gotta wait till things start changing up a little bit. I want to go in long because there was a buy sign right where my level was.
I'm waiting a little bit.
But I just didn't have anything set up, so no, nothing's missed. It's only 1 minute. Okay, now we're getting weakness. Let's move this over a little bit now.
It's a level up here at 13. At 813.
So what do we got? 1, 2. Let me go here. What did I get from the 1 minute? So we have 1. Okay, so that's bullish for 1 minute. No timings here. Okay. That's a good setup for me, so let me take it.
Yeah, it ain't like that 13 level up there at 813.
Mm-mm.
We're approaching VWAP right here. Let's see what happens.
Let's see.
I'm trying to long.
Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna go long too. I am in long. Yeah. I'm watching the trigger point candles really closely. Okay, that's good for the longs. Let's see. I think I hit my TP1 already. Yes, I did.
I sure did.
And it's 10 here. I'm in long. Let's see if this is enough room for it to hold. Oh, turn back red. Back to yellow, red. See if it switches back. It's gonna take me out. Ooh, nope. Nope, not yet. It's trying to. I don't like the fact that it went from that blue color to the red color. That's an exit, but I'm risk-free, so I'm not exiting manually. I have no need to. If I didn't hit TP1, I would have. So it's back to yellow, which is pretty bullish. Let's see what it wants to do. This is what it's been doing all day. Okay, back to blue. That's another entry long based on the trigger point system. You'd be going with direction, so that's pretty good. It's not the cleanest, but
It's a fib level right here as well too that it's trying to get over. Can't seem to get over.
it took me out, but I was risk-free. Okay. Change this to 8 to 1. Save that.
Flat at VWAP. Flat.
Okay, so it's breaking down. See what it says directionally. IVD is turning gray.
That's a nice long right there. Shit. Take it. I'll take. I will take
Oh,
it.
I got that one on a live, baby. I got that one on a live. Yeah. Yeah. Come on,
That
Cloud.
720 level that I called out these past 2 days is the level that I'm gonna continue. That I'm gonna continue to play off of.
Yo, I caught that on a live. Woo! With a
Catch that
meme,
off
baby.
720.
Yep.
720 is gonna be your best friend. I'm telling you, man. My golden levels are so. Oh, it's so money.
I love gold, baby. I love
My
gold.
golden
Let's
levels are so
go.
low. That
Let's
720
go.
is
That's a payout today. Yes.
that's $1,000 right there.
Damn. Come on. That's how we do. Look at these trigger candles. My. So let's set this up. You know what? Hold on. I can't even talk right now. So happy right now. Let's go. Let's go. Man. Man, oh man. Does that feel good? Move this up to there. There we go, man. Anyway, so let's see the setup here. Look at these pin. I'm gonna highlight the pinpoint trigger candles today because I think people are sleeping on these. The settings here I have is hybrid 0. All I did, I just changed the coloring around. This is a 15-second chart. You saw red, yellow to blue. Boom, entered. We hit a spike. I entered here as soon as it was in blue. Unknown to me, we would hit a spike, and now you see how it turned yellow. So you could be cautious, go to break even, or to put your stops in profit, however you want to play it. Man, let's go. Let's go. Oh, that felt good. Pinpoint trigger system on fire. Right here. Prove it, button, color change. Directions coming back in our favor. That was on
It's a
live.
limit high right here. Be careful.
I'm looking for it to retest the 760, stay above it, and then that's another long entry. Which I think where VWAP is. If I'm reading that right. Let's go, man. Let's go. So you see here on this chart here, I'll zoom in a little bit. These purple dots mean like they're bearish signals. So if you're looking long, you don't enter when you see the dots on top. You wait for the dots to be on the bottom. Is that how you use them, Cloud? Right?
Yeah.
For the pinpoint, the dot on the bottom is what you're looking for?
Yeah. I'm in another long as well too. A whole nother entry.
Yeah, we're having trouble at this
I just
790
London
area.
high right
Yeah.
here. Yeah, just London high.
Let me calm down a little bit. I'm a little too giddy right now. A little too giddy right now. God, I love this trigger point system. Holy cow. Holy cow. And now, I like it not because it can help you get out very quickly for minimal losses. Because if this would have went from, let's say, blue to red like it did here, see blue, yellow, you could have gone out. Or blue, yellow, red, out. You don't have to wait for it to come all the way back on you, or even be foolish and, it might change back. I don't care. Once it gets to yellow, either move your stop or get out if you did not hit TP1, and you just wait for the process to recycle again. Let's go. Let's go, man. So far, my significant levels are holding up. We dipped below it, but we came right back above it. By the way, I give these out in a newsletter every day. Okay, we're back to blue. That's another entry. Let me see if I like it or not. And then pullback's pretty high. It's green. The timing's off to enter. Okay, the risk-free long.
Caught it
Risk-free long.
from the area that I said it's a second long. This is
Let's
50
go.
points for me.
Let's go.
50
Go.
points for me.
Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. I got one runner in. I'm gonna push this sucker up all the way to. I'm gonna put it to what, 9? Yeah, it's at the 900s. Let's go. Okay, while that's running, that's 20 points. What's the ATR? 20? Yeah, I'm not giving back any money. I'm gonna put this to break even. That's a big enough stop, 20 points. If I get it, I get it. If it comes back, I don't care. I hit TP1 and TP2, so I want this sucker. Let's see what else. What's available? I'm gonna put it up to 960. see if we can move my TP out of the way. I don't want to limit myself. Let me just move this up to here. This is a good spot. And then I'll just trail it the rest of the day. Oh man, Cloud, this is awesome. What a relief.
From my original trade, that's 100 points from that 720 level down there.
Mm-hmm. Is that what you were in the whole time, right? Or
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm still in it. I grabbed another set of longs at 780.
Yeah, that's where I got in this one. And that one's up 30 something, almost 40 points right now. And I have a runner in. I'm looking for 960. So far there's nothing directionally that's telling me to get out. You know what I will add though? I will add this. Go to the premium add-ons. Premium add-ons. Go here. Bigger for a second. I need this one. This one I'll put it at 1 minute. Now I put that this skinny line on here. Let me just make it a little bit thicker. And the reason why is that's a 1 minute evidence line. When this starts to change, that's my cue to look for an exit. And then I'll put the light purple, but I want it darker in here. There you go. So, okay. I think I'll put it at, was that 70, 92? I'm already there, so I'm okay. That's fine. So you can see on the shorter time frame it's starting to change. That's fine because that's a 15-second, right? But if I'm looking to have these runners run, I'm just looking at the 1 minute evidence line. Right now you see the dashboard's change, pull back with trend. I'm on the trend train, so no need to get out. New 4 hours up. We got plenty of room now. Let me see how much room we have. I have 960 is where? 960 is here. That's fine. I'll keep it there. See what it wants to do. Man, let's go. Let's go. The trade is getting to 50 points now.
We're at a fib level. Let's see what happens here. We're definitely approaching 5 micro territory if you do want to enter here. I will wait for 4.
Okay. The rush is starting to fade now. I'm getting back to my equilibrium. This down a little bit like that. This down. This over here. Oh boy. Okay, we're heading towards the 900s. That's a level to watch. See if we can.
I'm taking another trim up here.
Oh, I see activity coming into the market. On what side though? Let's see. Yeah, we got 880s. We got sell orders, so just be careful.
Where's my TP?
See if they want to take their stops.
Please.
Yep.
Trimming, and I am trimming.
Let's go. Wow, let's go, man.
Remember I said about the 5 micro trade? I told my buddy, and he actually took it with 5 minis. What? He's up.
Jeez.
I know.
But you know what?
He sent me a screenshot. I said, "Oh, I'm at 5 micros," and it's like, no, you're an NQ. But hey, just cash your funded account on my funded futures. So congratulations. With that being said, all right. With that being said, Mo, I'm sorry. I'm in runners. I have to go. It was a great trading session. Let me make a phone call quick because I may be able to stay for another 30 minutes to an hour. Let me make a phone call. Hold on.
Okay. So this is right where I said there's gonna be some resistance here. So we wicked at it. It's starting to show a little weakness on the trigger chart, but not on the 1 minute evidence line yet. So this is where you have to survive through this so we can make another leg up. I really would like to see those purple dots disappear from the top of price. Excuse me. We really got to get above this. I'm going to call it 900. We're getting there. Okay, we're coming to it again. Let's see if we can get above and stay above 900. Okay, we just ticked above it. Now let's see if we can actually get a close above it. Okay, looks like that the bears are sitting at this 900. See if the bulls can eat up some of this. Evidence line is still green on for the 1 minute, so there's no need to exit any trades right now. Arms are crossed, so I don't touch the keyboard. Let's go. Okay, we're showing any weakness yet? Not yet. Not even on the 15 second. Okay. 15 seconds starting to flash, so here comes a little push down. Where's that? That's at 800. One minute, still green. Strict candles are green. Background's green. IVD's green. No fake out as of yet. Everything's looking long on the 1 minute. That's the top chart directional. Let me move this to my predicted high of day, or possible high of day. Yeah, keep it there. Any change? All right, we got some short-term weakness here. Okay, we got some bearish surge happening, which is good. That's actually a good little break. See if the 1 minute ever changes or not. Got a sell button there. So that means we could see some price push down. However, it turned purple, so that's not good. Oh, turned yellow again. That's good on the bullish side, because we had some exhausted sell right there. It's popping back to green. That's good. Now let's see if those dots disappear. Okay, let's see. All right. I think it's looking pretty good. Let's see if this is another leg up. We're already in the expensive box, but we're at the lower end of the expensive box, so still got room to go if it wants to. Okay, so we've hit it 1, 2, like 4 times. We haven't been able to close anything above the 900 yet. Good news is ATR is dropping. That's good bullish news. That means participation is leaving. That usually means the bears are leaving. Usually. Let's see if there's enough bulls to chop this thing up. Let's see. Participation's picked up just a tick. Now it's dropping again, which is good. Let me just move this so you could see it on the screen. Anything change here yet? Nope, not yet. Okay, here's the purple, here's the weakness. Let's see if we get any change in that 1 minute evidence line. If I get a change in that evidence line, I'm gonna move my stop up to it's already at, actually no, yeah, I'll move it up to 50 points. Okay, let's see. That's a good sign that it turned back yellow. There we go. There we go. That's a good sign. That's a very good sign. 1 minute evidence line is holding me in this trade. What do you guys think? You think we attack this 900 now? I see a Gabby button. That's a good sign. Let's see if it stays though. Remember, this is 15 seconds, so. Ooh, there's a lot of sell orders up here. Let's see if they take them. It looks like right here at the 900, there's people are looking to sell here, but I think we're gonna push through because we've been stuck in this area for a minute, and usually when that happens, especially if we look at the 4-hour forecaster, once we get stuck in something like this, we usually have a good shot of getting past it. So let's see. It's fighting it here, man. They're fighting. That's a violent push down. That was that big orders that was up there. Let's see if it come back up again. Let's see. So far, nothing I see is saying short. I know we're in the gray expensive box, but if you look at the directional chart, nothing is saying to go short. So it's got to ride out this battle zone right here at the 900s. Probability says we can break it, so let's see if we'll be able to see it during this time.
Wow. Am I late or what?
Just a tad.
Just a tad.
Yeah, I'm in a runner right now, like hovering close to 100 points.
Very nice.
But I hit a 50-point mini trade earlier. This is a micro trade now, so
Good day, good day.
good day. Thank you to the pinpoint trigger system. Able to get out fast and enter fast.
It's awesome.
Now I just have my eye on that 1 minute evidence line I have on the screen. It's inside the candles. Once that changes, then I can look for an exit. But for now, I just have to sit through this. ATR is going up a bit, so that means sellers are coming back. Boo. Go away. Take your little scalps and go.
Well, I don't think there's anything to do here, actually. No shorts and very late for longs.
Yep. Right now, I'm just trailing. That's all I'm doing. Just okay. Let's see what happens here. See how far it needs to come down. You know, this is the harder part. Like when you're in a runner and you're seeing it, go your opposite direction, and you just got to look at everything and say, okay, what do I see that's allowing me to stay in? Well, IVD's green, candles in background. TPO's green. Strict candles turned off, but they'll turn back on because that's a 1 minute chart. The 1 minute evidence line has been green this whole time. And the 15-second, obviously, is went bearish, and it's okay because it's just pushed down. Now let's see. And you can see the surges, there means bearish weakness. So let's see. Yikes. Okay, that sucks. But let's see if anything changes. That's a good sign. That's a very good sign. That's an awesome sign. That's a good sign right there. Let's see what price can do. Okay, so we finally have some weakness here, so I'm going to move up my stop. You can see here we finally have some weakness in the 1 minute evidence line. I moved up my stop. Background turned off on the IVD.
Hey Mo, sorry dog, I'm back, man.
Okay.
It looks like we finally got that pullback, and I got stopped out of majority of my positions. Are you still in any positions right now?
Yeah, I'm still in the one before. I moved up my stop. And trailing very well. Now let's see if this is the pullback to get another leg up. Let's see.
I'm personally done for now. I'm gonna come back and actually trade during FOMC for a little bit. I do have an interview today, so I got to be mindful of that. But this leg up is seeming kind of promising, honestly. Mom's looking kind of good right here.
That's it.
For a little scalp, longs look good here. Just a little scalp, nothing too crazy.
There we go. See if I can survive this pullback. So far, doing a good job. Not panicking. All right, sorry to be quiet, but all right. So I'm in a runner right now. It's hovering around 50 points still. Um, so far stayed in it. You can see the on this chart here that the green line, which is the 1 minute evidence line, went from like green to this neutral color. That means it's neutral. It's not bearish. If it was bearish, it'd be red. If it's bullish again, it would turn back to green. I'm hoping that'll flip back to green. So this way I can just feel more confident about price continuing in the direction I want it to. However, the fact that it's hovering around this 50-point area, I like, because we haven't had a big push down yet. I kind of like where we are as far as area. If we look at you look right here at the market structure, we built a new support right underneath my level. That's awesome. Now this was the new structure high. We're pulling back a little bit. I'm hoping to see a higher high somewhere soon, and then we continue towards this. And if we go to this chart, you can see this is where I got in. The color scheme's a little different, but anyway, this is where I got in here, and I got one trade there and another trade here at the new 4-hour. And right now we're here, and hopefully this will be the next push up. This is a 30-second chart here, so let's see. Let's see. If not, I'll be taken out, but I'll still be in profit, and that's all you can ask for. Yep, and I am out of that trade, in profit. There you go. See, it just turned green. I mean, sorry, just turned red. So I would have been out anyway, but guess what? Still in profit. right. All right, if price can stay above the 790s, that could be a good spot to enter long.
I'm actually watching it, Mo. I actually want us to come down a little bit more. I'm thinking 760s area.
Oh, that's right where my level is. I'll
So
take that too.
between 780 and 760s, the 50s or the 40s may be the last hope for me, honestly. But then again, I see 720 down here as well too. So it's a few different levels that I see here that could potentially be a nice little spike. But you would have to see your indicators, especially the trigger chart, kind of agree with it as well too.
Mm-hmm.
Keep in mind, we are at the power hours over with. We do have a fresh 15-minute candle that just opened up now. We have another 15 minutes until the hour's over with, and 45 minutes until London is officially closed. So with all that context in, especially FOMC at 2 o'clock, I mean, trade cautiously. I'm in and out though, so let me. How much longer do you think you'll be on the church, man?
Maybe 10 minutes tops. I made good today. I'm gonna get a payout today. I'm not messing this up at all. For one
Money in the
day,
bank, baby.
what used to be a week's worth, oh, forget it. I'm taking it. I'm taking the
Yeah,
cloud
no, I
ride.
take it. That's why going live. That's the really the only benefits of going live on Top Step and My Funded Futures. That's kind of why I've been trying so hard to get a funded account again or take profit, because those daily payouts, nothing beats those daily payouts. Nothing at all. Like that one account that I have that is going to go live on Top Step. I'm so afraid to trade it because I have like 3 or 4 more trading days before I get to the 30-day mark.
Okay.
But I'm afraid to trade it because every time I've wanted to take a trade on it, the trade went against me. So it's like I'm so glad that like I didn't push the button. This is a nice long that's potentially developing here. I'm not gonna take it, but I'm just watching it right now. The like I would need a 50-second evidence line to agree with this right here, and I would need to see another 15-second trigger candle open up green. Give me a second, Mo.
Okay. Let's see. Got another roughly 10 minutes left on this. I'm not doing anything stupid. I'm not gonna force anything. In fact, I'm just gonna go to an eval. Nothing really right now. Nothing to do. Price is just dancing there. So we got the IVD candles turning red. Background turned off. These are off. TPO is off. So because of this, I'm looking long because of here. None of these triggers match. So not even bother looking at a trade. So I am Xing out of this. ARV's going down. No trades to do. That off. Okay. Let's see. Sorry guys. Yes. ATR is looking good for longs. So just allow price to come back down. You know, okay, where is it gonna, where's some places that we called out, right? We have the 790s that we called out. We have the 760s that's been called out on this live. And because we didn't get above those 900s, you know, in that zone between 790 and 760, that could be a good area to start looking long again. If the 760s completely break and can't get back above it, then I would say longs are off the table and you have to wait and see. But just remember, it is a major red folder day, right? It's a major let me just do this real quick. Just want to show everybody before over. Perfect. All right, yeah. So you can see here I have this newsletter. You can sign up in the bio, right? This has news. The only little twist that was added to it is these 2 bullet points here is why traders care. You know, this little quick glance info. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 red folders today as per Forex 4X calendar, and you can see that price will probably sit around here, and this by 2 o'clock. Be very careful. You see the caution at the bottom: high impact, high volatility expected. So when you say that, just remember, conserve your capital. If you're going to trade those times, be wise. Make sure you know your account, what you can handle, what you're willing to risk, and remember, slippage is real. Okay, so always keep that in mind. And then you also get, here's the trade plan again. See, I have the 760s and 960s. Those are my levels there. They just happen to be a 200 pointer today, like the 200 point levels today. That's just where it lined up. Yesterday was not. Yesterday was a little different. But today just happened to line up that way. And, just make sure you trade accordingly. Put that back here. All right, so just trade accordingly to what will be going on today. Let's go over quickly what has happened. So you see here, direction has now, probabilities have changed. We have a chop, not unexpected, because we're gonna have news later today. It went from green to weak bullish to now bearish. Doesn't mean price is gonna drop, just means, the long probability is a little bit lower. If we go here, you see how we're heading back down to this area. This is that zone we're talking about, 790s to 760s, which happens to be right here. So let's see if it be interesting to see if the meetings break this or respect it and then fire up to about here. And then this is just another trigger chart. You can see right now, 30-second, bearish at real time. Things are mixed. You have a bullish sign, bearish sign, price action showing you bearish. So, and if you go here, you got the mixed here. It's a good time just to take a break, eat some lunch. If you're going to trade at 2 o'clock, be careful. If you've never traded it, it's always good to demo just to see how it really, what it feels like, how price action works. And that's basically it. So, but if I was trading at that time, I would be looking long. Maybe I'll throw a micro on around 215. But I'll be on Discord for that. So at 2:15, I'm going to be on Discord for the, sorry, at 2 o'clock, I'll be on the Discord live to see what these beautiful trigger system does during that. I will record it and it'll be on the YouTube later on in the week. But other than that, today was a very good trading day. Just a little recap why it was a good trading day. Obviously, it's always good to hit a positive trade. But what made it even better was this was the first trade I hit of the day here. All with the system. Trigger was there. Context was there. Boom, I hit it. I just happened to have a TP there. It stopped me out because it hit it. Doesn't matter because later on, it came again. You see how it went from yellow to blue entry? And I took this up. I got my TP1, TP2. It almost hit 100 points. But it just fell short. But I was still taken out in profit. And right now, you can see we're on the pullback side of it. And that's it for right now. Right now, I would just wait, be patient, wait for a good trade. And that's about it for today, guys. All right, so I'm Mo. Thank you, DC. Thank you, Cloud, for being on today. I know they're super busy, so I just want to thank them for being on. And we will see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow, let's have fun after the FOMC
Yes,
party.
definitely.
Okay, not to mention that, when do we have for those? That are yeah. Tomorrow. Tomorrow, for those that are trading London, just be careful that we have red folder news. I mean, we have the FOMC equivalent of UK.
Okay.
That's gonna be pretty big.
All right. So those who trade London, you hear what DC said. You could see some live bullets of London. Hopefully good.
Yeah,
Hopefully good.
hopefully good. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, everybody. Well, thank you so much for being here for another live session. We'll catch you all tomorrow. Take care, everybody.
Bye.